Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Those blustery Seattle days of autumn leaves blowing off and sailing, tumbling down to the ground. Well, hell, I became one of them brother leaves, tumbling downhill, rumbling, cutting and darting in dead leaf-strewn grass over the hilly fields of Woodland Park. A football legend in my own mind with oblong ball in hand, racing downfield, dodging defenders, headed for the goal line unstoppable. Those youthful days of angst and exuberance, a cocktail of careening surprises and never, ever stopping, but going, gone, into the wind, into the punk rock nights at the showbox downtown, next to the corner donut shop where hoods, hoodlums, urchins and young hot pants girls of the night mingled with green mohawks, spiked hair, leather-jacketed, combat-booted, angry, fun-loving kids from all over the city of Seven Hills and beyond. Those days are gone, long gone, and with that goneness, my supple spine and forward-looking, youthful, naive, here now, be here now, lackadaisical, visionary eyes. But today, now, I still feel and know love. Love, the touch of the cool, windy spring rain on my bare skin as I salute the sun with my ritual movement prayers and hey-ya, awakened breath. I salute the sun who shines on, shine on, Surya. Even with the thick blanket of dark clouds, sheds tears that I rejoice to have dropped down on my lonely, thirsty, tired old man, still will and soul that craves aliveness. Aliveness not dependent upon age or happiness or riches or any other folly. Dig all, senses charged up, open-throttled, open-throated, open doors of nose, knowing the scent of the empty, bliss-filled void, open inner windows, no longer trapped in the mind box full of awfully awful awfulness. Open eyes, ears, nose, mouth, open sky, open mind, open to God's delivery of flowing material spinning out of a cosmos drenched with love, not hate, pure love, everlasting love, open to all, no one shut out, embracingly, shoutingly open, like the greatest, wildest ocean opens herself to all waves, rolling on through, unhindered, free, deliciously smooth and barreling, perfect for riding. Don't forget your surfboard and how to tang 10 on the nose. Don't forget to exclaim, I am that, and I love all. And open yourself to the entirety of this mad, wondrous blink in time space of a world that is your life, among thousands, nay billions of other soul-stirring, risking on the brink of annihilation, gloriousness lives, all joined together by the secret one, the dweller in the infinitely vast cave of the cosmic heart.